Hello and welcome. You're watching NDTV. Our top story, a crucial day today for veteran Bihar politician Lalu Yadav. 17 years after the multi-crore fodder scam case came to light, a special CBI court in Ranchi today is all set to deliver its judgment in that scam, where the former Bihar chief minister and current Lok Sabha MP Lalu Yadav is one of the main accused. There he is as he arrived in court just a short while ago. Now, if convicted, much will be at stake for Lalu, both politically and personally. He'll lose his membership of parliament immediately. The multi-million animal husbandry department scam, better known as the fodder scam, accuses Lalu Yadav and Jagannath Mishra, both former chief ministers of Bihar, ministers from the department to IS officers and others, of fraudulent withdrawal of 37.70 crore from the Chaibasa district treasury of Jharkhand. Now, Jagannath Mishra was a Congress chief minister but is now with the JDU, while another JDU MP, Jagdish Sharma, is also accused in this case. In fact, the recent ordinance pushed by the cabinet on convicted MPs and MLAs was seen by many as a direct attempt by the Congress to save Lalu if convicted. But of course, that ordinance is now dead, with Rahul Gandhi lashing out against it.
In 1997, this is how Lalu Yadav went to the local CBI office in Patna for questioning, just a few days after resigning from the post of Bihar Chief Minister. This after the CBI was given permission by the then Bihar governor to prosecute Lalu in a case related to the 950 crore rupee fodder scam. A scam where fictitious cattle lists were cooked up by top Bihar government officials and money allocated for fodder and medicines for these non-existent cattle embezzled. All of this allegedly under the patronage of Lalu Yadav and another former chief minister, Jagannath Mishra, and top bureaucrats and officials. The CBI arrested Lalu later in 1997, and a few months later, when he got out on bail, Lalu chose to ride an elephant back home to the chief minister's bungalow in Patna, a signal to a huge support base back then that nothing could unnerve or unsettle Lalu Yadav. But now, as this special CBI court in Ranchi gets ready to deliver its verdict in one of the 5 fodder scam cases where Lalu Yadav is an accused, the former Bihar chief minister does not appear all that confident. This case dates back to 1996, when Lalu and 44 others were accused of fraudulently withdrawing 37 crore rupees from the government treasury in Chaibasa, now part of Jharkhand. As Lalu reached Ranchi on Sunday, ahead of the verdict, he had few words to spare.
आपसे बात कोई कमेंट हमको अभी नहीं देना है. जजमेंट का डेट फिक्स है, कल ना जजमेंट होना है.
Perhaps also weighing on his mind, this outburst a few days ago from Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi.
My opinion on the ordinance is that it's complete nonsense and that it should be torn up and thrown out.
That effectively stopped the government from bringing in an ordinance that would have saved Lalu from immediate disqualification from the Lok Sabha, and also a bar from contesting the next elections if convicted by the CBI court. But Mr. Yadav's lawyer for fodder scam related cases for the last 15 years says he is confident Lalu will be acquitted.
Every advocate says about his client his case is very strong, but so far as I conducted the trial from very beginning, it is totally contrary to what the charge sheet CBI has filed before the Honorable Court and what the evidence and document they have produced in the court. They are not matching to each other.
Foremost amongst those who have pursued the fodder scam case against Lalu since the 90s is BJP leader Saryu Roy. In fact, it was a public interest litigation filed by Roy and 3 other leaders that prompted the Patna High Court to hand over the probe in the fodder scam cases to the CBI.
लालू जी की को सजा हो जाएगी और जेल चले जाएंगे तो मेरे जैसे व्यक्ति को इससे खुशी नहीं होगी, मगर इतने वर्षों में उन्होंने जो किया उसका फल सामने आ रहा है और इस सब के लिए लालू जी खुद जिम्मेदार हैं. जिस बात को हम उठा रहे थे कोई नहीं मान रहा था, हमारी पार्टी बाहर के लोग तैयार नहीं थे और लालू जी तो अभियुक्त के नाते कह ही रहे थे कि नहीं इसमें कोई दम नहीं है, तो इसलिए हम लोगों को मोटिवेशन रहता था कि हम इसको परस्यू करें और अंत तक हम अपनी बात को सही साबित करें. केवल इसी नाते हमने इस मामले को परस्यू किया.
If convicted on Monday, this could be the end of Lalu's career as an elected representative, at least till his conviction is overturned by a higher court. And Lalu's absence from the electoral arena is likely to give his arch-rival in Bihar, current Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, an upper hand when he leads the Janata Dal United into next year's Lok Sabha election, on the back of strengthened relations with the Congress after his party split with the BJP earlier this year. In Ranchi, with camera person Haribansh Sharma, Alok Pandey, NDTV.